to our post-game press conference. We are joined by Coach Renzi Bahar and our best player on the game, Arvin Filipino. Gentlemen, congratulations on the win. First game of the conference, first win as well. But this did not come easy for Northport with Arvin getting hurt early in the game. Gio Halado sitting this game out, but the team still sealed this win even when Kadeem Jack wasn't on the floor in much of the second half. What does that say about this team's character and how much of what you saw today do you want to see from the team moving forward?
Siguro first of all, thank God for this win, and it's all about all the credit to the players because we started flat. Our starter start slow, but the good thing there is our second group step up. Lead by Siyempre ito yung ni Ivan Nelly, then nagdala niya yung team, but ang bottom line doon is yung team effort pa rin. Because of defense, nagkaroon kami ng nasunod yung game plan with Coach Lunis game plan, andun yung ginawa namin. Sumunod yung mga players, that's why nakabalik kami on the later part ng first part. Although we still Alex leading by 8 points, but still andun nagkaroon kami ng run. So yun lang, throughout the game, we just stick to that game plan na yung sa defense plus yung offense namin, we just keep on running. So yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. Arvin, punta tayo sa iyo. Coach mentioned yung slow start. What happened there and how did you guys bounce back from that moving forward to the rest of the game?
Well, we started out flat. Medyo kinalawang kami. Maybe that's the right term. But yung second unit namin yung nagdala, especially nung paglabas namin, and na-carry namin yung momentum na nilaro nila. Maganda rin yung naging ball movement nila. The first few minutes medyo nagkano kami, nagkanya-kanya yung lumabas medyo pinifeel pa namin yung isa't isa. Then pag-import namin, medyo short time pa din yung naging practice namin together. But nung second quarter naman medyo umangat na yung laro na. Nadala namin yung ginawa ng second unit namin. First of all, yung defense, stuff, and then sharing the ball sa offense.
Arvin, nakwento ni Coach Bonnie kanina na binigyan niya daw kayo ng challenge before this game to distribute the scoring more evenly, especially among the locals. How do you think you and your teammates responded to that challenge, lalo na nung nakaupo yung effort niyo for most of the second half?
Well, naging maayos naman. I think we did a great job today on doing that. Yun yung naging challenge ni Coach Bonnie sa amin. Before the game, not really rely sa import and just to move the ball, share the offense program, and then yung bola na yung maghahanap ng open man, and swerte naman na na-convert namin. 55% kami sa 2-point. Nice. And assist also, we had 23 numbers.
Thank you, Arvin. At this point, we're now opening the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach Renzi, congrats on the win. Ano masabi niyo kay Kadeem Jack, especially dahil last minute at Padkin import?
I think Kadeem is kumbaga nag-a-adjust siya doon sa ginagawa namin. But Kadeem is a hustle player, which is yun ang nakita namin sa kanya at saka yung gusto namin sa kanya. We rely mostly on his defense. Yun din naman sinasabi namin, mga coaches plus the locals. Because we need him, the last line of defense namin. Then yung points niya is a bonus na lang for us because the local can contribute naman, especially Arvin is here, our leading scorer. Talagang mostly yung low scoring is nakita nyo naman din kanina at kung wala yung input is we go to Arvin, especially on the mismatches. Then yun lang, yun ang hinahanap namin kay Kadim na which is I think he can provide on us. Yung hustle sa defense, then yung rebound.
Arvin, last two conferences, you missed the playoffs. Siguro ngayon, you're coming in very determined na makasingit na kayo this time.
Yeah, that's a goal. Yun yung lagi nasa isip namin. Okay? First step namin towards the main goal of the championship. But yun yung first goal namin this conference is to make the playoffs. Lalo na dalawang conferences na hindi kami nakapasok. Parang very doable naman eh. Sayang na we could have been in the playoffs for two conferences pero medyo na short kami. So ngayon medyo mas mabigat na yung dala namin. So hopefully makapunta kami sa playoffs. It starts ngayon yung araw. So we already have one win. For this year, we have seven na. So that's as much win as we can this year.
Coach, nabanggit mo si Bandele, mas malaki ba role niya this conference? Kaya ganito yung nilaro niya or talagang set up lang siya for the game?
Number one is siyempre, nag-step up siya sa game na to. Then plus siyempre yung pass factor sa kanya is yung injured din si Gio, which is talagang kailangan namin talaga mag-step up yung nasa guard position. And even Fran, maganda yung linaro din Fran. But siyempre, nag-step up din yung si Ron. Plus even Miranda na which is like limited minutes siya. Naging maganda rin yung pagtatapas niya ng game. But yun lang naman yung inaano namin sa kanila na since si Gio is injured ngayon, kailangan talaga yung mga guard point guard positions namin talaga mag-step up to lead the game.
Ano mawawala sa game?
I think siguro couple of weeks na lang siguro makakabalik na si Gio.
Coach, you mentioned yung defense. Nilimitahan si bowling 3 points lang. Sabi ko mga yun yung plan.
Yes, yung talaga yung ano namin sa scouting report namin with the help of Coach Jarens, talagang nabigay namin yung kailangan mag-stop sa kanila, which is number one scorer nila and number one leader nila doon si Robert. But syempre, Robert Bolick is Robert Bolick. So, we're lucky na medyo talaga yung production niya sa points yun, medyo mababa. So, yun lang, yun yung naging big factor sa amin sa game. Hindi siya na-involve sa score.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Coach Renzi, Arvin, congratulations again and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.